The news. Justice and Correctional Services Minister Ronald Lamola is officially launching the Office of the Legal Service Ombud. It will offer South Africans a platform to lay complaints against legal practitioners and report unethical behaviour. And the office is headed by retired Judge Justice Siraj Desai, appointed by the President in December 2020. Let's listen in.
This is the People's Ombud to protect your interests. As former President Mandela said, every citizen needs to be familiar with their obligations and duties. They must be able to claim the right to be treated justly, promptly, and courteously, and to claim their due under the law, unquote. It is the justice will not fall from heaven. The people of this country must make it fall. I know sometimes in South Africa, there is a temptation to believe that some things can come while you are sleeping from your home. You don't have to do anything. If injustice was done to you, a solution will just come while you are sleeping. Hence, we now have a syndrome of believing that everything will fall from someone. As citizens, we have got a duty and an obligation to hold government accountable, to hold practitioners themselves accountable, the Ombud also accountable, and everyone. It is in the hands of the public. It is common cause that lawyers must exemplify the highest form of professionalism and integrity. They must devote themselves to defending the rights of their clients and be worthy of this noble profession. It was not called the noble profession for nothing. Even in terms of your act, your actions and standards, it must be reflected. The Zondo Commission's report has revealed the role of professionals in state capture and the grand scheme of corruption across the country. In various government departments, coalitions between lawyers and sometimes the state attorneys and officials has revealed also some of the corrupt practices happening. The cases that the SIU and the police are investigating in some parts of the country with regards to collusions on medical negligence and malpractice, on police arrests, reflect the decaying nature of some of the practitioners, that the moral standards have to be restored. And I believe the Ombud will play a big role to restore those standards. And I also believe that the profession itself must frown upon this kind of unscrupulous characters, deal with them decisively. I'm happy that processes have started in Umtata to deal with one of those practitioners. The profession must dissociate itself from such kind of characters because it gives the whole profession a bad name. If there is one corrupt person and the following week there's another one in the newspaper, in a month there's another one, it end up look like.
All right, that's Minister Ronald Lamola. They're officially launching the Office of the Legal Service Ombud.